Buong buhay naming mag-asawa. Yes man ako. Ganito gawin natin, darling. Yes, hon. Yan lang lagi ang sagot ko. Sa bahay, sa mga anak, minsan pati sa pananamit ko. Nasanay akong nai-intimidate sa malakas na personality ng asawa ko. Ngayon ang problema, parang di ko na makita ang respeto sa mata ng mga anak ko. Kapag mahahalagang desisyon nila sa buhay, kay mommy ang lapit dahil feeling nila tama siya, mali ako. Sabi nga ng nanay ko, wala daw akong boses sa sariling bahay ko. Kaya unti-unti puputulin ko na yung pagdepende lagi sa gusto niya, dapat lang na madinig naman ako. Ako si Lito. Sure ako na hindi ako under. Di lang talaga ako maprinsipyo. Oras na para putulin ang aking pagiging pushover. My love, siguro I don't want you to blame your wife for having a big personality, for having an intimidating kind of personality. That's not her fault. When you met her, she's already that. Diba? And that is one of the things that attracted you to your wife. Kasi powerful yung dating niya eh. Independent woman, strong woman, and for some people talaga, attractive makakita ng isang babae na alam yung gusto niya, alam yung direction niya, kayang gawin yung mga bagay-bagay mag-isa. Some guys are attracted to that, and obviously you were attracted to that. So, along the years, if you fell behind her shadow, that's not her fault. I don't think na she's trying to overstep her boundaries kasi sabi mo nga, you don't feel like hindi ikaw ay under ng asawa mo. It's just that hindi ikaw yung tipo ng lalaking maprinsipyo. When I say maprinsipyo, siguro you are not a type of person that would mind making decisions like that for you. Parang hindi ko na kailangan mag-weigh in sa ganyang klaseng desisyon. I have a lot on my plate already. Iniintindi ko na yung kakainin natin ng pamilya, paano tayo mabubuhay, yung longevity type of problems, yun yung ina-address ko. Those little and tiny details, or sabihin na natin na decisions that has to be made sa bahay, is something na I don't have to put my fingers on, or hindi ko na kailangan pag-isipan, or hindi ko na kailangan pakialaman. Kayang-kaya na yan ni mommy. Siguro over the years lang talaga, my love, dahil nga ganun yung sitwasyon, your wife developed a habit na pagdating sa mga ganong tiny details, kung tawagin mo, or minute details sa mata mo, hindi ka na niya tinatanong kung anong gusto mo, anong sa tingin mo. Parang siguro nag-take charge na siya kasi over the years, you were not minding if ganito ba dapat yung way of doing this or that. Hindi ka nag-iintindi. So siguro over the years, she developed the idea na, di ko na istorbohin yung asawa ko sa mga details na to, lalong-lalo na sa mga tiny decisions ng mga anak ko. I'll take charge kasi maybe he is so busy dealing with other stuff sa buhay naming pamilya, and this would be my ambag. This would be my turf, my territory. Kumbaga, sa mag-asawa kami ay laging divide and conquer. Kung siya yung nagmamind ng ganitong klaseng problema, ako na to. So, I cannot wrap my head around the fact that you are a pushover. Maybe hindi ka lang siguro, alam mo yun, my love, hindi mo lang masyadong in-involve yung sarili mo sa decision making ng household nyo in its entirety. Ibig sabihin, small things and big things, hindi mo lang siya nakita as something nag-matter sa'yo unless it's big. Tinignan mo lang yung mga small problems as something that you can brush off. And those small details, para sa iba, ay big kasi, lalong-lalo na sa mata ng mga anak mo. So, maybe, my love, instead of saying that you will stop being a pushover, siguro, it's safe to say that this time around, you'll get more involved sa family mo, 'di ba? You will mind to weigh in sa mga decisions na 'yon. You will start working with your wives Whether it's a small problem or a big one, you'll collaborate with her, you'll coordinate with her, you'll work with her. Kasi sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi problema na she has an intimidating aura or sabihin na natin strong yung personality niya. The problem is you became so laid back. You became selective of the things that would matter to you according sa own perception mo of the things that matter without even thinking which of the problems, which of the issues ay nagmamatter naman sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Like your kids, like your wife. Naintindihan mo ko, my love. So, if you don't want to be a pushover, that's good. Having your own decisions, your own inputs, opinions, that's great. Pero I don't want you to look at your wife as if siya ay kalaban mo, kakompetisyon mo, when it comes sa respeto or sa decisions na kailangan na panigan ng anak mo. She is your partner. Again, divide and conquer man yung ginagawa ninyo sa problema when it comes to the things that matters to your kids. I think you always have to be hand in hand. Together, in unison lagi ang sagot. My love, you have a wonderful wife and I'm sure you are a wonderful husband. You just have to be more involved. Don't be just a provider to them. Be a father and a great husband that you are. Claro? Claro.